to think twice before I get down to snubbing someone by calling them Badtameez or Besharam, because Ranbir Kapoor over here has managed to make those terms look very endearing.
Hi. मेरे सीने में दिल नहीं दोस्त, जिगर है जिगर, और वो कभी टूटता नहीं. ना आएगा बबली.
Now, Besharam Ranbir Kapoor is very endearing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, that's the endeavor. You know, when having titles like Besharam and Badtameez Dil and Barfi and now a film called Jagga Jasoos coming, you know, it sounds a little weird, sounds a little intriguing. You know, I think I don't want to be called Raj, Rahul, Vijay and all those prem names.
Yeah.
You know, so I guess now after a couple of years when somebody says Besharam or Badtameez, my face will pop up in their head.
Now, I would not get down to asking you your Besharam moment, but you'll always say the tal dropping sequence from Savarya, right? So from Savarya till Besharam, how Besharam have you got like?
I've gotten very Besharam. Bade baal hai tere. Because I think in front of the camera it's very important to let go of your inhibitions. You know, you have to be totally open to your emotional bank of emotions. You have to be Besharam. And I think with this film, you know, I needed a lot of confidence to play this loud, vulgar, flamboyant, over-the-top character. You know, it was plain to the gallery, so it was very important that I let go of, you know, whatever my preconceived notions were about, you know, etiquette and all of that. You know, because he's brash, he's a street guy.
लग जाए तेरी रगों में खून नहीं, रबड़ी दौड़ दी है रबड़ी.
Have a cavity here?
Oh my God.
No, no.
मेरा नाम होना चाहिए था बेशरम.
You're working with your father and your mom together, like one frame.
You know, every person's nightmare to work with their parents. But thankfully for me, it was completely different. You know, apart from them being my parents, they're such amazing actors. You know, very focused, very sincere, very hardworking. My father's my favorite actor. Even today, after 40 years, you know, he's just amazing in what he does. My mother, of course, I'm a little protective about. But just to have both of them on set was just really an amazing time for me, an amazing moment for me also.
Ranbir, your dad says that you're not like the best of friends, and that's something that he kind of regrets. So when you were acting in front of him, so those inhibitions obviously go in front of the camera. So is that a good thing?
Well, it is a good thing because, like I said, the dynamic between mine and his character was very comedic. You know, I'm constantly taking his case. And he's constantly the victim. So I, like Abhinav was saying, I've taken out all my bhadas in this film, through this film.
ए बबली, छोड़ो ना तने. अरे खुद को तो छुड़ा ले पहले मोटे. सिर्फ चुलबुल नाम रख लेने से कोई दबंग नहीं बन जाता.
And your dad is in the best phase of his life right now. The kind of films that he's doing, it's like amazing.
Yeah, you know, I think he's just endorsed the fact to me that stars fade away but actors last. You know, he's in the best phase of his life right now. He's trying new characters, newer worlds. People are giving him the opportunities and he's not shying away from it. He's doing it with a lot of besharmi and fearlessly doing it.
Coming to mom, now Neetu ji, we've always seen her as this endearing person. Never would anybody would have thought that she'd play like a corrupt cop.
Yeah, she's playing a Thulla from Delhi.
कौन? तेरा पप्पा बबुआ, इंस्पेक्टर चुलबुल चौटाला, और यो तेरी अम्मा, हेड कांस्टेबल बुलबुल चौटाला.
She still does it so endearingly and convincingly, and at the same time there's a lot of positivity which emerges from her, and I think that's always been her you know, her advantage. Even when she was an actor, she never had a method. You know, she was always spontaneous.
I was having a word with Abhinav a while back, and he said, you know, Neetu ji was like up for it, and she said, yeah, I'm done being dominated by my son and my husband. Now I'm the one who's going to play the dominant.
And she's changed at home also. You know, all these years my father was dominating her. In the last 10 years, there's been a big change at home. Now my mother is the godfather at home who sits on the throne, and you know, my father has to bend to her.
Iconic dialogues that you must remember as a kid, that probably you were enacting also in front of a mirror of your dad, of your mom.
Yeah, of course. I think my father's dialogue from Bobby when he says, "मैं बच्चा नहीं हूँ," was something which stayed with me.